Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you LISEN mobile phone holder. It's a car Magsafe compatible mount for our smartphone and special for our Magsafe smartphone. That means your iPhone, or you can use a magnet ring to make your Android phone, for example, compatible with this phone holder here. We have 17+ kg vacuum suction cup and 20 end magnets. This is magnetic mobile phone holder for the Magsafe system. For our iPhone 17 Pro, 17, 16, 15, 14, and so on. And if we mount the holder on genuine leather surfaces or excessively rough texture, like a dashboard, we should use the enclosed round PC pad. If this is attached, we have get this in position. The keying adhesive, we can slightly moisten the suction cap surface with the water to restore the adhesive effect too. When installing and disassembling, we always make sure that the lever is in the correct latching position. And we have military standard stability, because this vacuum suction cap creates an airtight connection. 15.5 kg adhesive force on the dashboard or the windshield. By ergonomically turning the lever, we activate the ultra-strong adhesive, guarantee no wobbling. And we have a perfect Magsafe compatibility with the 24 and 52 magnets. They achieve 20.6 Newton magnetic force, even with the high-speed curves on the Nürburgring racetrack. Our smartphone guarantees a firm hold. We have a magnetic ring included. This ensures the installation for more than 24 hours if you use that ring. And it's compact and with an unobstructed view. The holder has a radius of only 2.9 centimeters. And it fits in the almost any car. We have 3 adjustable aluminum joints, which can be easily snapped the perfect viewing angle, as if we were adjusting the seat of our own car. And it's waterproof and reusable. The suction cap surfaces of this robust car accessory are provided with a special coating. We simply remove the surface dirt, let it air dry, and reuse it immediately. While the entire suction cap consists of a heat-resistant silicone compound, the silicone suction cap remains flexible even at 50 degrees plus up to -20 degrees Celsius in the vehicle interior and adhere reliably to the dashboard, windows, shower wall smooth without the risk of breakage. And it's robust and environmentally friendly. It's made of recyclable zinc alloy and fireproof ABS. This mobile phone holder reduces the car Magsafe electronic waste without annoying plastic smell. Throughout the robust workmanship, good for us, better for the environment and nature. And it makes an easy operation, as you can see. We can easy peasy get this control with only one hand. Every special moment, this is possible with LISEN vacuum magnet holding. It is a nice holder for traveling, for aggressive driving, for example, for shooting vlogs on the table, for home use at the shower or where else. And of course, it's nice for camping. Maybe you are outside of the car or you have the glass surface there, get it into that. And we have a magnetic quick release. And it's really micro, mini, winny, and instant vacuum lever with 0.1 sec of activation time and vibration-proof basic and a 3-way adjustable holder arm. We have here light pressure, immediately lock, job's done. Release bar is 0.15, smoother than cooking again. Yeah. And 24 and 55 magnets, 1-to-1 Magsafe model, compatible. The compatibility direct is of course on the iPhones series and Magsafe cases and so on. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!